What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. And it is cold as hell, but yeah, I had to rock the jersey today. I had to rock the Korea jersey. They represented, man, they balled out, dude. They balled out. They got in the next round, so I do have to wear the Korea jersey. All right, they are going to the next round, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully when you guys are watching this, hopefully I'm watching the USA game, and hopefully USA's representing. Hopefully they smash. But we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, we are here for another video, you guys. And we are in Long Beach, because I haven't been to Long Beach in a minute, and some of y'all have been telling me, hey, they've been having heat. So let's go. Let's see what's up. What's going on here? We got crowds of people chilling out front. Did I get something? Like, everybody got a bag? All right, let's go see. What's up, man? They all look like resellers. Let's go see what's up. Let's go. Don't see anything crazy in the aisles quite yet. No, not seeing it. Not seeing it. Nope. They do have a ton of things that are an additional 30%. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen. That one. Wow, bunch of clearance items. Holy cow. Something cleared up. Something cleared up. Is it the Max R's? No, because that's right here. Cheapest, we've seen those as well. I did get here a little late. I was watching the game, man. I was watching the game. It took me some time to get here. Hour after opening. They did open at 10 a.m. It's 11 a.m. right now. Let's go check out the clearance section. Searching for the 10 and a halves. $1.75. That's a little high for these. Look at this. We're starting to see LeBron 20s. So it is what, 30% off? Yeah, 30% off. So $1.40 for the LeBron 20s. That's pretty dope. They got a couple of size 10s. That's fire. Got some Metcon 7s going for $140. Never seen this color. It's pretty dope. Laser mids going for $65. This is the all suede version right here. This is fire as hell. Oh, look how that's dope. That's dope. I did check the Nike app to see if they had additional sizes. $65. And you do get that 30% off. So what is that, like $45? A little under $45. Holy crap. Prestos, we've seen these 1,000 times. $111. Up to the 10 and a halves now. Been seeing a lot of LeBrons lately. You see the price on this one. $170. Okay, we've seen that at the clearance store. If you guys are local, clearance store has a ton of those. Zoom Fly, we're in the size of 11 now, apparently. $70 for those. Air Force Ones, all black, to be able to get 30 off. That's fire. Saw these one with the little shark fin sticking out. We've seen that before, $1.30 for those. Rachi, size 10 and a half. Seen these a million times, go for 90. This is 10 and a half. Not seen too much craziness today. 110 for the Invincible Run Flyknits, going for 110. There's 11 and a half. Got some Metcon. What is the free Metcon 3s? I still thought this was the PG logo when the Metcons. That's the Metcon logo apparently. The Metcons have that. Those are going for $100. Air Force One low. Is this the regular one or is that? The leather seems a little different on this one. Yeah, this is the retro version. Yeah, this is that one with the nicer leather. Are people not on these? These go for $150 though. It's a little bit more, but that look at that leather. Why wouldn't you rather get these? These would last 10 times longer than those dumpy regular Air Force Ones. Of course, these are more expensive, I guess, $150. This mother lover even comes with a little toothbrush. That's a long toothbrush too. That's funny. More size 11 and a half. Do you got some Alpha Fly? Next percent go for $275. Full retail. Dope colorway, but man, that's just too much. $275. S12. Infinity Run Flyknits go for $130. Air Max 97s. Pretty dope. $110. $110 for those. That is fire. Under $80 for this with the discount. That's as cheap as it gets. Black and white. Can't go wrong with that. Doesn't look worn. It's brand new. That is a size 12. More up tempos. The extra bright Volt colorway. Volt, and extra Volt. Where's the black? I don't see any black. It says Volt black. $160 for these. They're black like a tiny little bit on the insole. No, I don't see any black. Maybe on the insole. Seriously? All right, so Volt and more Volts. $160 for those. And the 13s now. Some more of these. Going for $150. You get a whole 3 cents off. That's funny. The Air Force Ones, $150 for those. Mids right here. Someone's wearing way too much cologne next to me. That's $110 for those. $140 for these. Oh, $175, my bad. That's a size 14. Got the Zions. Got the Zion ones right here. Oh, these totally tricked me. These totally tricked me. Just seeing the patent leather right there. I was like, what? Okay, the person with the cologne's gone because I was just way too much. $50 for these. Holy crap, Zoomfly 4s. And then same for size 50, $175. $100 for those. Pegasus going for what, $90. And what are these? I don't even know what this is. Zoomfly 5s go for $100. Is that 50 Cent being played on one of those Jamaican drum things, the metal drum things? That's pretty dope. $145 for these Zoom X. I don't know if you guys can even hear the background music. It's funny. Air Max. Oh, these are Air Max. These are Air Max 2090s. Why isn't there Hibachi? I don't know. I'm confused. We are in the size 9.5, by the way. $130 for these. Whoever's wearing too much cologne is back at it again. $130 for these. $140 for the Metcon 7s. These are size 9s now. The Overreacts. What these go for? $140. Supposedly hella comfy. Jordan 2s. Jordan 2s. 2 bills. I don't remember who this is a collab with. This is a collab with something. It probably says it right on there. 218. Okay. I don't know what city that is. Pontiac. It's Michigan. Alright. Is that a skate shop out of Michigan or sneaker shop out of Michigan? I don't know. Okay. Pretty clean. Definitely premium materials on that one. Okay. They're going for Air Max 2017 going for $130. Romero 16s going for $80. Size 8.5. Air Force One mids going for retail -$30. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits going for $110. That's a solid price. And look at this. What the hell is this doing here? Really? Size 8.5. Watch the Thrones. Wow. I'm surprised to find a lot of stuff that I'm finding here today. Wow. I got mine used. I think I paid $100 for mine used. But that's just hella cheap. Wow. And then all this stuff a lot smaller. Not seeing anything too crazy here. Before we go to the aisles, we can check out what I'm wearing. Jordan 4s. I don't think I brought any extra shoes, so I think this is what I'm going to be wearing all day. The next few videos, because I'm going to try to hit up at least 3 or 4 stores today. Jordan 4s. I'm wearing white socks. I'm wearing white socks with these. Usually don't wear white socks with black. But the white went with everything else I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Korea jersey. This is, I think, from 2020, I believe. And some shorts. All right, we are checking out the aisles, and they're playing some weird music now. They're playing some dope stuff earlier. Air Max Terra Escape Plus right here. Infinity Tour Next Percents. Some super high-end golf sneakers. Okay. Golf cleats, right? KG6s. Zoom X Streak Flies. Air Force One mid. Quick Strikes going for way cheap. We've been seeing these forever now at the outlets. Got some J Free 2s. Nike SBs. SB Zoom Blazers. And this, man, they got suede on it, but it's some rough suede canvas right here. More SBs. Alley-oops. Invincible Run Flying at 2s. Super Wrap Cycles. If you need some cycling shoes. Waffle Debuts. Air Max 2090s. Still going down, man. Look at that. Era Escape. Air Max 90s. Go for hella cheap. Air Max Genomes. Hirachis. These are the Crater premium version right here. That's like some woven material. That's nice. Another one of those. I need to run Flying at 3s. That's hella cheap. Some 2s right here. Flytrap 5s. 80 Trade 59s. Witness 6s. Couple of Soldiers 14s. LeBron 9s. Immortality 2s. Jordan Access. Got a couple of them. Liftoffs, and then some Max Auras right there, I believe. I thought I was done. Got more aisles. Got some Crater ones. Those are Waffle Crater ones, my bad. Some Air Moabs. I can't believe we're seeing these. First colorway sold out. Like crazy. Air Force One Crater Flyknits gone. Okay. Air Max 2017s. Got a quartet of those. All black. Then a gray and white one. Air Max Dons. Free Metcon 3s, Metcon 7s, Air Max 2090s. Another one of those. Third one. You got Air Max 90s. All white version. This is the one with a nylon toe box right there. Another one of those. Air Max 95s. That one was a quick strike, and this one is an essential. Air Escape Air Max 97s. Max Plus. And the Trainer ones. Man, these have been flying off the shelves. These are so popular. Okay. Then Monarchs. And I believe that's about it. Just a bunch of generic stuff. Even the running shoes. They got running shoes, but nothing too crazy. Kind of all stuff that we've seen. Pegasus Trails, and then a bunch of Pegasuses, I don't know. BTS on the radio or on the speakers. This song is catchy as hell. I don't understand the thing that they're saying, but it is catchy. That's funny. So yeah, this is going for what, $40 right here. Lakers shirt, normally 48, down to 40. You do get 40% off apparel today. Got the Spurs jerseys. So people, nobody's ever explained to me. Nobody's said in the conversation, are you supposed to get this customized? I don't really know. This is a Swingman blank one. Go for $100. I don't know. Hawaiian shirts go for $40. These are all mediums. Got an interesting looking sweatshirt. It's super thin. Go for $60. Fleece jacket. Go for $90. All right, there's just not much in apparel today. Got sweats and stuff. Even the sweats aren't the greatest deal. $110 down to $90 right here. These are premium, but yeah, I don't really see much. I'm all about buying stuff off season, so I usually do check out the shorts. Not really seeing too much though. $50 for these, normally $60. Okay, this is one of the Crater knit? Is that what they call it? I don't know. But yeah, one of the recycled material ones. This is a large. Looks short. $20. $20, you get the 40 off on top of that. Is that $12? These look short though. $12 for some shorts. Those normally were $60. They do have a bunch of basketball shorts. These are down to $15. XL. These are some thicker ones. They're super short though still. Like I said, I'm all about buying off season. I've done that a million times. $30 for these shorts. These are double XL running shorts, I think. Got two different aisles with the shorts. And yeah, man, got some solid prices. These some running shorts right here go for $25. Okay. Like I said, off season. Oh, kinda, because we got sweatshirts right here. But yeah, we do got, but that's from last season though. So yeah, $25 for the t-shirts. Another 40% off on top of that. So that's well under $15. Then got these hoodies. Hoodies is down to $50. So you do get 40 off. So what is that? What is that? $30? $30? Yeah. Large. Yeah, not too shabby. Got some XLs right here. Got these colorful things if that's what you're into. $90 for these. Yeah, got a few different sizes. I saw that one right there, that little tag. And then this as well. Okay. And for the record, yeah, I'm not really like a huge soccer fan. Very, very casual. Like I'll support the US team and the Korea team when the World Cup comes around. That's about it. All right, Nike hasn't been giving much love to the women's section, to be really honest. I don't really see much here. I did peruse, but we'll definitely look at some of the aisles, see what's going on here, if they got anything. All right, guys, just not much. The Air Max Commandos. All right, the Air Max Commando would be way more funny though. Correlates, just not much. Got the Dunk Highs right here. Awful debuts. Air Force Ones. Some nice, interesting material right there. Okay, some Air Max 90s. I got a few of them. This one's dope. Seen that for a while now. Another one right here. Max 2017s. Another one of those. 2090s. That's pretty much about it. Do got a ton of generic stuff. Downshifters. On Metcon 3s, I guess. The free Metcons right there. Super Reps. Legend Essentials. Just stuff that we're not too many people are interested in. Do got a few running sneakers, some Pegasus 37s, really well priced. One of those, not well priced. 39's already on sale. Pegasus Trails. Romero 16s. Another one of those. Infinity Run Flyknits. We got a plethora of these. Some of them go for hella cheap. Look at this one. Black and gold. And this is the penultimate one right here. And the last one. That's dope Flyknit material. I like these. Alright, those of you guys that are local, hopefully you guys are watching my shorts and stuff like that. I do post on my shorts like ASAP. Like I even made a video right now so I can post it for you guys so you guys can, you know, you guys can try to get stuff real time. Alright, let's get validated and get the heck out of here. Alright, had to do it a couple times. This thing was tripping. What the hell? Alright, let's go. We're out. Alright guys, that's pretty much about it. Not too bad. Not the craziest trip, but seeing LeBron 20s, seeing those for 30% off, that's pretty freaking dope. Being that like we weren't even able to get our hands on the first couple colorways, and then now we can find them at the outlets for 30% off. That's what's up. There's $2, man. That's not cheap for them LeBrons. Be able to get it for $140, pretty freaking dope. Then Air Force Ones, being able to get those for what, $70, because those originally came out at $150. Sizing not the craziest, but be able to get that, that's pretty dope. Them LeBron 9 Watch the Thrones, that was fire. That's just crazy to find those at the outlets for what, $100? It was what, $130 or something like that. That's freaking insane. I hope you guys are following me on these shorts. I'm trying to get the information out to you guys as soon as possible on the shorts. Easiest way to get them out, so I'm trying to get that to you guys. I hope you guys are watching those. You know, like I don't want to necessarily just throw it on Instagram, because all of the people on Instagram don't really follow my YouTube channel. So hopefully you guys are able to get those deals, because I'm trying to hook you guys up, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Hopefully by the time you guys are watching, hopefully the US is kick button. Hopefully they're in the next round. We'll see what happens in the World Cup. But yeah, I'm gonna be out and about watching that game, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much I appreciate it, guys. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. I don't know if you guys have seen my latest shorts. I've gotten a ton of new stuff and haven't been able to review that, share it with you guys, all that stuff. But I hope you guys are watching my videos, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.